wobbly that street light is. I'm not sure if you can see it. How much wobbling that. I'm telling you, it's not to my phone either. The street light is wobbling. Budget friendly, you guys come to Costco, get the hot dogs with the onions, the relish, ketchup, mayo, mustard, and you get a drink for $1.50. You can never beat that here at Costco. All right, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna see if we can make $200 today on a Wednesday. Can we do it? I don't know. Let's see if we can do it. Starbucks, a $5.50 order. $195 more to go. All right, Starbucks, let's go. $5. Got chicken order for $8.50. Crispy chicken tender, chicken wings for, I don't know, but this order is $8.50. Let's go. Bucks order. Let's go. One of the coffees. Blue Mountain Blend. Let's try that out. Got the tuna for $6.99. Foot long. Use the coupon. $6.99. That's what we got for lunch. Always use the coupon to get some deals. Got here. Tuna. Like I got all the vegetables. Teriyaki sauce, sweet onion sauce. Well, not teriyaki, but sweet onion sauce. And it's tuna. That's what it looks like. All the goodies in the middle. So what we got? Oh yeah, $6.99, $7. Can't beat that. Definitely use coupons when you go out to eat because it'll definitely help you save money. Or obviously just do the ramen, but sometimes you gotta reward yourself and eat a little bit somewhat healthy. For oil change, because the light came on, I've been meaning to do that all week, so I just got that done since the weather is kind of crappy out. I figured just go ahead and get the oil change. The light came on too as well, so we went ahead and got that done. All right, we just picked up a car part. This order pays $9.75. All right, guys, I don't know if you guys can really tell, but it's blowing like really hard. It's up to 60, 70 miles per hour winds. And this is one of the reasons that can stop you from making money. As much as I'm wanting to make money, what have you, it's also about safety as well. So I don't know, I'm gonna keep on working until it feels unsafe. And just maybe head home because it's supposed to be a snow blizzard and high winds. Even though it might not look like on camera, but the wind is blowing the car really hard. And we have got a couple semis already pulled over and flipped over on the highway, so I don't know, we might have to call this a day, unfortunately, as much as I want to, but we'll see how this goes. We'll keep it pushing forward until, look how wobbly that street light is. I'm not sure if you can see it, how much wobbling that. I'm telling you, it's not to my phone either. The street light is wobbling. Up and down. That is not me. Flag. How hard the flag's blowing. A $10 order for some lemonade. Let's go. Gas pump, another 6 gallons, $18. Let's go get a scratch ticket. Hopefully we can win some money back. Let's see, kind of $20, $3. Let's try this one. Tic-tac-toe. All right, so we got a scratch ticket. Tic-tac-toe went up to $1,000. Stay tuned later on. We'll scratch it tonight to see if we win. The Powerball, 416 million. 416 million, 124 million. Obviously, I'm not gonna show you guys the numbers, but that's what we got. Another $9 order run for DoorDash store for just boneless chicken. Awesome day. Awesome day. This guy just handed me a cash tip First time ever in a long time I get a cash tip. Hardly ever do you ever get cash tip. It's much appreciated. Thanks. Shout out to the customer that gave it to me. Let's see how many he gave. Anything that matters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, 5. Wow, $5 cash or more than that. Yeah. Wow. Thank you, sir. And plus, he tipped me on the app too. So overall, almost a $10 tip. Thank you so much. It's really appreciated. Last burrito. Late night taco orders always late night. We got burrito, side of rice and beans, and burrito. All right, finally got a dang coin. Scratch this bad boy. We got an X. All right, now we want X here. Ooh, we could win a double. All right, let's go with, make it interesting. Let's go over here. An O. Okay. Let's go over here. An X. All right, so we could win a cross over here or diagonally over here. Let's see what happens over here. An O. Let's go see if we win. We can't win this way, or let's do an O, right? X don't work. All right, so we need an X right here. X, baby, X. Or, ooh, dragon. Ooh, double, yeah. Well, if we get one right here, the two, that'd be awesome right here. Another double or an X. Ooh, another double. What? Hold on. What? Whoa, hold on. Hold on. Did I just win like all kinds of stuff here? What does it say? Win. Reveal 3 in the same row. Oh, it has to be the same row. All right, so today's earnings, we basically made, these expenses was food, $8 food, $5 food, $5 gas. I still posted and pending. We made $17 plus another 39.30, so we made about $40. Costco, we had Costco hot dog, $17 was gas. We made $27. $3 is, oh yeah, just got something to fix my glasses. $40, 18 in gas again. Made $9.19. We got McDonald's, made chicken, and we went to the grocery store again. So $6 and $7. And then we had a cash and draw to pay our bills. So we made a total of $182. We came short. We almost came close. I mean, if the weather was a little better, we came just short of $200. That was a goal today. I'm surprised it didn't hit that much. We hit our goal of $182, or we try to hit $200. Every day we're trying to hit $200, so we came about $18 short. And if we didn't spend all the money on food and bills and what have you, that we would have this much money saved. But unfortunately, that's not reality. But anyways, that is today's total. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below. Help me keep me motivated. This daily grind. I see this guy try to make 100 days straight. He worked 100 days straight, $200 a day, made $20,000. So that's what we're trying to aim for, and try to close to Mitch. $200 a day, which equals $20,000 in 100 days. See if we can do it. That's our goal. That's our mission. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe. Talk to you guys in the next one.